One of the greatest tools of a powerful storyteller is a clear mind. Very often we go into a discussion or a presentation without a clear sense of where we're starting and where we want to end up. And that begins how we weave the story inside of our head before we ever open up our mouths. This is why our mindset is so critical and important when it comes to being a great storyteller. It is to understand that first we must do some inner work. We need to be able to look at how we are bringing together stories. I call it story weaving, how we're weaving together the details and the thoughts that we have around the story, around who our audience is, around what they would find important. So it's also about being an active listener. There's so many beautiful aspects that happen before we ever open up our mouths that mean the difference between being someone who is communicating data and communicating facts versus someone that is drawing people in with their stories in order to build trust, engagement, excitement, investment, whatever it might be that you're looking to do. So, understand this, that your mind is one of your greatest tools. And as a storyteller, a clear mind, a mind that knows where it begins and where it wants to go, is your greatest asset.